Well, like people control, yeah.
Control things.
What?
Yeah.
I know, but so
Yeah.
it reminds people that
Yeah.
you're gonna have to go to afterwards.
I mean,
you could just put it like that on the plate.
the question is, should we breed? No, the judges won't be on site, so we'll work
But it would only be, if it's only his senior judges, so
No, I mean that the judges could be the panel also.
If you're not to lose the gold
But,
dust.
but they're not there, so
are none of the judges there?
Björn, probably.
Björn's there? Where's Björn?
In the end,
Björn ran away with the game.
But I think
So you so far have N-1
Thank you.
who are actually,
Thank you.
if they realize
problem.
that.
That's horrible weather.
However,
Yeah, it is also good.
where they are.
No, we will just fine because all of the Europe will be fine. No, time is fine. I guess this time is fine because we start one or so for the first set or two.
Yeah.
So-
I think so early afternoon. Yeah. So apparently you're the only judge for 30th, 25 examining the site.
Okay.
So the question is if we want to do this, this tool in the loop description thing.
Right.
If it makes sense to have a judge, because they anyway have access to the tasks beforehand, do this. But given that the pool of possible judges who would be on site is entirely composed of you, it's more of a, what do you think of this idea?
The design is correct, by the way.
Yeah.
Very good. That's fine. I don't know, it sounds interesting.
I think it would really be good to have multiple people because they might remember different things about the scene.
I mean, we can possibly also have other people.
Yeah.
For this thing specifically, for example.
I mean, I'm fairly certain there are people on site that are familiar with EDS that
Yeah.
will not be actively participating.
Yeah, for sure.
And
And it would be good to have like
if it's a handful of tasks, then you can also just put people into that mindset.
yeah, and I think it would be good to have like a diversity of that panel. Cultural background, gender, because then people might focus on different things when they.
Yeah.
Also recognize that.
In contrast to the other thing, that would also not require any further additions to the list, which are already
Exactly. Yeah, not that will generate now.
Even though we always promise to try some things that are, I guess, some of them being implemented currently, a bit on site, much slower than you wanted. I haven't talked with him in a while, we can check what they're saying.
But so
We're gonna have a new release before
we show these people the clips before the competition.
You could even just show them clips immediately before the task.
Yeah.
Maybe in a review.
Yeah.
As in, look, you get minutes to look at this with your headphones, maybe even while there's another task on.
Yeah.
And then, okay, now you're not gonna have to look at it yet. What are you looking at? Show. So then essentially we just need to bring 2 or 3 of these, have them spread around the room, and then just on the workers.
Yeah.
Some institutions write this for the post office.
If you want to make watch the.
Ah, well, I mean, we could limit it to one person at a time, for now. That would be interesting. But then, yeah, try to do that. You thought you'd be there anyway. You bring it anyway. That's right.
Perfect. So.
She's always talking like playing the poker.
Essentially,
It is.
That's why he always wins, right?
everything that needs to happen is to pre-render the clip, which Trace is doing anyway.
Yeah.
So the only thing that it currently doesn't have any way to export them, so we actually have to go into its guts and say, you know, the files you already created.
Yeah, but could I just, when I have seen the preview address, is the browser go to download it?
No, because it's in the preview, it's not actually showing you the pre-rendered chip, it's showing you the full play render.
Okay.
Because then you
Yeah, yeah.
can real time change this.
Good stuff.
But it has been pre-rendered.
Yeah, I know, because we've seen cases where it failed. But okay, well, then I guess I'll check with you and get the pre-rendered first. The pre-rendered clips from Dress. No, but wait, if I go to the viewer, like if I run the competition, then I get the pre-rendered clip.
Yes, but this is designed in such a way that you can't easily get to the clip.
Yeah, I could record the screen.
Well, you know, you can get it out of it. But it is we designed it in such a way that it is not trivial to get that out.
Yeah.
Because the same mechanism is also used for showing query.
Yeah.
To not make it easy for people to say, oh, right click, put it in my thing. But I mean, if you really want it, you can still do this. It's with the rest.
Yeah.
You don't want, we didn't build in any encryption or
Yeah.
DRM or anything, mostly because
I could just in this way.
there's more.
I think this, that we maybe were away with spoke about some
Well, they did not put it for me.
for 26. I think that will increase the stakes quite a bit. Especially if people know that it's a faulty agent scene, so.
Yeah. I mean, I guess the human is also a faulty agent.
Yeah, totally, totally.
Just forget things.
Absolutely.
I mean-
being human agent or?
I mean, I know it from myself looking at the clip and trying to come up with the text description. I make mistakes.
And afterwards looking at the clip again, we said, oh no.
Afterwards, in the best case, afterwards looking at the clip again. In the worst case, the judge is telling me during the briefing. Now,
What are you talking about?
Imagine for a high level queries like impairment cloud that we always had this place. They basically they annotated all these videos and the level that we were not ready. So one particular annotation every video has is this semantic theme annotation.
Yeah, sure.
And semantic theme is on a high level, but for example, video immigration. How does video immigration work?
Yeah, but you know, this
Cultural
is,
identity.
but this is a practical.
So this is
topic.
also a cultural identity.
Yeah, but this is a practical topic. Like you have this story on the news tonight, and while the speaker is introducing the topic, you need some image as backdrop. Like there is things like bureaucracy, or like they have like a collection of Christmas things, because every year people will start asking, oh, I need a Christmas scene for that. So.
Now, a very popular topic, you know, where you see also in museums, as a concept. Goes to a whole.
How about first?
Yeah, right, it's the proposal.
Ready to talk?
Oh,
Yeah.
Never see that before.
how are we gonna?
I have no idea.
Well,
Well, how much is this?
Rated to code red, which is the highest level of storm.
How much is this currently?
It's not.
you want it code red in Dublin? Or here?
Yeah.
Here, it should be read more often because
Right. But I'm saying this store,
it's always code red now.
where, here,
Red now.
here.
From,
But not right now.
from 10 p.m.
This happening is code red.
No, this is probably.
Yeah, well, everything, yeah.
It's happened to one.
Tomorrow morning.
Hey,
This is just a normal summer day.
So how do we go about the dinner then?
I'm gonna drive to the park.
What?
By driving. Don't you be able to walk to the park?
So we leave it early because we want 3:42 hours really fast.
So Klaus and I both, well,
Yeah.
because theoretically storm can.
Yeah.
We're not gonna have flooding on the roads on this way.
Yeah.
All the way to the town.
Yeah. Because river, actually.
Well, it's on the other side of the town,
Concrete will be fine.
village. yeah.
How amphibious is your car?
My car, we have fixed one on the rush. Dennis's car is the one that's in the rush. The chances are it'll be fine.
This is a very, yeah.
When is this thing
Very
starting?
calming down.
Code red ends sometime tomorrow morning.
There is a non-zero chance that you'll be fine. Yeah.
There is a non-zero chance it's still be here. On Sunday.
The way he's saying it, there's a non-zero chance that he will not be fine though.
It's okay,
But
but
chances are he
Well,
will.
maybe that is technically always true.
there's a chance that we don't have power in the morning, so.
So the way I see it, the worst thing that can happen is, for you two guys not have flight, right? That happens.
No,
They're gonna have to figure it out.
Apparently lots of
Yeah,
flights
the-
are already been canceled.
the question is how.
Yeah, yesterday Anna told me that Amsterdam was already yesterday, meaning there, is seen also when we were moving buildings, when we were moving to new apartment. It was so strong storm, it almost flipped this Mercedes truck that was really like. I don't know what it was, but 140, 190.
But that's probably later because the flight will
Insane, that was in February.
far.
There's quite a big difference in how
About 2 hours. the flight will
40 you
far,
can somehow.
9.
And it would be, you know, that
So
is,
by that time,
really working, that's
already
the 190.
Yeah.
Very strong, yeah.
Okay, this is like a much.
Just one thing.
Hours. We don't have-
140 is very good.
Yeah.
190 is more.
Because the flight will
It's
look time Ireland, 9, we will leave in Frankfurt. So before that, unless they cancel it already, they probably won't announce it the day before.
You know what was funny? So they parked
It'll be fine.
this Mercedes truck.
No problem.
Be
First
optimistic.
floor in my apartment.
It will be fine.
Came to Bananas.
But you see, I guess I mean, the road we came in, it's not
The
very
lights,
close to the sea, right? So I guess
are these biggest trucks that fit in
Part of it.
the license. I think they're making a bigger actually. Those are actually, because they were,
That's only the park.
so they parked it in front of the pyramid.
Yeah.
And it was really close, you
Okay.
know, like these islands, on the east.
But I thought this were a girl calling, this
So-
is a lake, right? This is
So,
not the sea.
Hard that every once in a while they have to go down to the tree parks.
Yeah, but there's not too many trees around here.
The dark, yeah. This is like, yeah, the highway, this is really looking.
Yeah. I mean, we had planned to leave at 5 anyway, we have 1 hour extra.
Maybe you should do 4.
Garbage man, I think they're also electrical plants, so they use, also get those.
least that means that.
Use some articles and student housing or something.
Yeah.
That's basically students.
It was about 1 euro.
Started as a moving student.
Extreme.
Very professional.
You don't have any extras.
We're going to,
Yeah.
I gave you the, and then we were like, hey, rest that, city,
What is the issue that
I thought that it was like really, maybe that, what size? The smaller town probably. So I'm just like saying, she says that it's floating now, so it's floating this thing, then how long?
Every once in a while, people decide that now is the perfect time to move my trailer. It's so slow the road and I'll get U-turns. No, it is all good. It seems because people every once in a while over in the farm. Where you were saying to you know that if there's anything wrong with the weather, it's gonna be there.
But some people.
Yeah.
But you heard about the tree accident really it was a guy with a truck and a trailer stopping on the railway crossing because he thought something of his trailer was broken. And the train crashed into it.
Yeah, I think something of my trailer will be broken.
Yeah, exactly.
This is why it's up here.
Yeah, I was the train crashed into it, and I don't think that it was like it was. I don't know if it's already open, but there was a lot of damage around. They say it was about 1 million of damage, and they will need two times to basically repair the rail line.
Right. Okay.
So be quiet.
Yeah, fair.
On that account, I also thought the legal, we have to do things that, catch, you have to do and already, the day before, 2 days before, we knew it's gonna be over there, mental harm, the advice is for full, stay at home. So I call, those fellows, and you know how it goes in the business. Schedule, some kind of manager.
Same reaction. Oh, where's the pudding? Right behind you. Where you put it?
Yes. As the asphalt soaked in? Well, it's turned white, so that's a good sign.
Is it?
Look at that.
Are they the same?
No.
What's that? That does not look nice.
Is look not good?
This looks like
Now,
charcoal.
couple, in your, you know, as a ritual, we will have to pour this whiskey into glasses
And drink it.
then drink it.
Should I put this whole thing in the microwave?
Yes,
Take
whole
it
thing in the
out?
microwave.
No.
No, put it down on the table.
I'm pretty sure the idea was to microwave it before you put it out, which would make it, I think, easier to.
It's okay. We're gonna do it Ali's way.
Oh no, it's going to be horribly deformed.
Oh.
Oh, it's not horribly deformed. Who would have thought?
Yes. How long do I put it in the microwave?
It's in the packaging. How much? What's the wattage of that microwave?
Have this chocolate
I don't know.
Pudding.
1,000.
whiskey thing for drinking. It's probably gonna taste great.
Probably.
It's been sitting in there for a long time.
It's
I mean, if you say so, Cathal.
I have something.
I have some.
Yeah, this.
Oh,
quite
yeah,
small.
no, that's
It's okay.
It's very small.
Good cider.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
very good.
This one after that.
I'm gonna make it very visible on my.
I mean, it's bigger.
Yeah, there you go. That's a good one too.
This is the prankster of the next level, you know. He says one word.
Cathal, you can't take fresh whiskey. Can't take fresh whiskey without
myself
soap
after
whiskey.
your camera is
It's for clean, I've seen.
That's
Okay.
for cooking.
This one.
Ah, to go over and then.
Yay.
Björn,
Set
just
it.
mentions one word and we all crack.
Aha.
So no more cooking.
No more cooking.
Yeah.
No, no
Yeah.
more.
Yep.
Stop
Yep.
that.
Don't listen to him.
I see.
Whatever he says is wrong.
There you can. This one is actually more.
Not that one.
Even this one.
Ah, yes, that's actually a fair point. But it's a little bit hot, the
Well,
water, isn't it?
that something is gonna be off.
All the candles are there. That's emergency preparation.
You know what, Cathal?
What?
I would suggest the following thing.
I'm
If it
listening.
really comes to outage or something, we should put the cameras again on.
Pour it up.
And
Just kind
then
of to see.
witness the mayhem.
Mayhem. No, just for fun. Shall I do it?
Give this to me? Yes.
And you can do all this one.
I'll do that.
Well, it depends. That's very okay.
How big of a mayhem?
We've got a lot of cheese left over
When am I
too.
leaving? I'm leaving with Björn and Anon and Stefan. Whenever they are leaving.
Custards.
Yeah,
the puddings.
I'm too.
I think I heard it.
10 was
Baileys, sorted caramel.
everybody used a 10.
Are you really doing a dessert now?
Yes.
I don't
I know.
There's no other time to do dessert.
We talked because Luca is saying he told me to fix these things, and I don't think it would be okay if he kind of does it.
It smells like coffee.
We pay these people some extra money.
You know what you
Chip
can
him.
do?
I'm gonna chip
No, we
him.
just have to put everything in the dishwasher and put the towels in the washing machine.
Cook it up.
No, but I mean
Then it's
the
And
rooms.
very
the
simple.
room's gonna be cleaned by the there's a cleaning
A little
thing.
bit washing powder.
Okay,
Yeah.
and is there
And,
something, so
cook
basically
it
I
up.
don't want
Okay.
Luca to
Heat it
do
up.
any.
Why do we have to do cleaning?
No, I mean wash.
Just we have to make sure that the kitchen is
Oh,
clean.
Because he thought
Yeah,
he
I'm
needs to
not
do
sure if we
cleaning.
have one.
Yes.
So I mean, what needs to happen actually? Like,
Hot enough?
basically when we
Brandy, Bailey's on top, right?
I thought go
How about
when we
just
exit, there shouldn't be
then they
anything
go on
left.
top, right?
I get so
Wait, this is too small of a plate for that. Cathal,
Boss,
you know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing.
Curly, this is not gonna work.
That should be slightly melting down the sides, right?
Uh,
Hey! There,
oh my
who's
god.
that?
That is so much cream.
Don't need much, but do you need more
Oh
water?
my god.
I don't, maybe a little bit.
A little bit, nice.
Probably, yes.
Now put a gold on. It looks like a Santa hat.
No, we have
I've
to.
never tried this
No,
actually.
wait. We have to
No,
spread it.
that's different.
There you go.
Oh, okay, you can spread it if you want, yeah.
What do you want?
I'm happy just leave it as it is. Those who want Baileys will have Baileys, those who don't.
Yeah.
No, it's,
But generally speaking,
yes,
just
second.
boiling.
You
Yeah.
know, it's really
And I often like after
no,
quickly
you need
after
a knife.
cooking, I just more water, boil it up, and then you can soften
Boss.
it with something.
Don't be crazy, man. You need a knife for that.
So, but you know, I wanted to.
You should have selected
Because it somehow is
Bigger.
a bit,
plate.
but
Why do you select this kind of small plate?
house 5-6. Yes.
That has a lot of Baileys inside. What? Boss,
Why did you select this kind of small plate?
let me put the rest of this on top and let it go down the side.
Oh my God.
Just get this on top. Let's let it naturally fall down the side.
It's
Don't spread it, don't spread it.
Oh,
Let it fall, let it fall.
It's
Don't
too
spread.
thick.
No, look at that. It's going to be fully covered by Bailey's cream.
No, that's not baby cream, salty candy. Oh,
Alright, so
Boss,
Boss.
this you mean.
No, leave it. Just let it naturally flow.
when I explain
Okay,
Boss.
I'm leaving it.
Now, is that hot? Let's heat up this as well, but not too hot.
not hot.
we should keep it here until the dishwasher.
I just lift it up and then close. I just lift it up and then close.
Now, let's get the gold on top.
At least the ones that are at 30.
Is that good?
That's good. Do the gold. No.
You do it. It doesn't look like a chocolate cake anymore.
Wait,
No, stop, boss. Boss.
stopping.
There it is.
What is this?
As you could,
Gold.
that was my intuition.
Pure gold.
No, but what is this dessert?
Chocolate pudding
With fake gold dust.
with gold dust on top because
But there is no gold in this gold dust.
Okay, this one as well.
It's just rice.
yeah. How do you know?
I
It's
looked
not
at the
whiskey.
packaging.
Yes.
It's
That looks
just
pretty
rice.
nice. It looks like an alpine peak.
Uh-oh. You butchered.
Yes.
That only takes a short while. Are we ready? Because we have to set this on fire.
Set what on fire?
The pudding.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
And we only have one or two chops at it.
Knowing that it's Irish, it's probably made of liver or something, no?
Okay, 10 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah, this is 10 seconds.
Chocolate liver pudding.
Well, we can't do it when everybody's in. So.
Oh no,
Yeah.
Turks have that kind of dessert.
How
One is
swirly
made
cake.
of liver.
I cannot eat enough cake now. I'm so full.
Wow, we're starting a fire.
I'm so full,
Give me
Carlo.
the-
It's not hot enough
give me
yet.
the other one.
It's sweet, has meat. Was surprised.
People come here. Look how this is burned. Cake.
So- Ninja.
Yeah, you have to be actually all be ready because it only burns for like 3 or 4 seconds.
Okay.
It's a
I didn't say it was
ninja.
a good spot, I think.
I
just said that's
pudding,
what I
which is still warm, so.
Which
I
is
think
actually
I'm
the
gonna
case
take
that it's
this
a bad spot.
That's,
This one, eh?
you still want more? You said
What?
briefly.
That's temporary.
It's not
No,
gonna work.
pick
No,
it,
it's not
pick
gonna
it.
wait.
No, people are coming in.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
What?
We're burning the pudding.
Come on.
Just watch the.
Oh.
Yeah, let's watch it.
Well, you get it on camera.
Oh my god, does anybody have a camera?
Cameras ready. Not to miss the moment.
Alright, let's do a 3D reconstruction.
Do you have the... No, I mean, yeah, okay. But
Yeah,
the whiskey.
It's in the microwave.
Yeah. Oh my god, when you look like that, he's like probably gonna tell me you're gonna fly over.
Okay, who's gonna light us?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Wait, come away. Let's do it.
Whoa!
Turn off the lights.
Woo! I can't add more whiskey until it actually stops burning, or else this extra flame will be on my
I
hat.
think you should have more whiskey because the whiskey having a better use. Yeah.
We're gonna do more,
I mean,
more.
look at this, Chancellor and cheap. There are whiskey bottles all around the house, and we didn't try a single whiskey. This is very.
Oh.
People are not gonna even trust me that I was in Ireland.
What's the dry house? You know?
But I have. Let's not go that far.
I'm very impressed with shaking his head.
There we go, is it out?
Okay. Yeah, it is.
Okay, go again.
Oh. Another.
Woo!
Do you need me to shake it?
Just don't want to get whiskey on the hands. You want to pour the rest of the whiskey?
While it's burning? We have a AC fire retardant system. Maybe that's somewhere else.
I know what I'm saying. I'll put it on a lighter. Put it on a lighter plate. Woo!
It's sitting in a pool of whiskey on fire.
Lava.
It's a volcano. Ireland's first volcano.
I've never
In a long while.
So long. very long while.
So nice one that people ask, is this okay? Are we based on always a yes. In many cases, it's been a while, but it's okay.
So next time, tell you this with me as well. But I was waiting, there is a lot of there, so you can charge an extra.
Alright, piece of Christmas pudding. Merry Christmas!
Woo!
How do poppers work?
Yes.
No, how?
Cool.
Cool. How? I don't know.
Yes. Hey! That's the prize. That's the prize.
What happened?
Cancel.
Because if you win this pencil, and then if you have a bad joke, you have to reach. Oh, pass. Pass. No pass.
Read us out.
Well, you have to
Where's the
wear
bad
it.
joke?
You have to wear the hat.
Read it.
Let me get the hat on.
Let's turn on the light.
Yeah.
Oh, the crown.
Crown, yeah.
For King Program.
That's a,
What did the Christmas tree say to the decoration?
I don't know.
Aren't you tired of hanging around?
Oh my God.
More.
There's a question also, and a game.
Oh.
Quiz, no. What? Yes,
Quiz.
quiz. What is understood to be the most popular karaoke song in the world? You should know these.
Bohemian Rhapsody?
No. The band. Gloria Gaynor. Yes, correct. And the game is who around the table can do the best Elvis Presley impression? Not on this person.
Oh, that's like you have to go to the toilet and you know it, right?
Alright, Stefan, wait a second.
I'm in the reading of a white Christmas.
I think we take it sometime as well.
Oh, you sang this, but then
Alright. Who wants to pop another one?
Because I love you too much, baby.
Alright, we're pulling. Oh, you win.
You win.
Oh, I win.
Did you all see the hat? And then the pencil. You get
Reward.
Oh,
it's
it's
a airplane.
Amazing video.
Oh my God. No.
Okay. Guys, a joke. Joke.
How do you say Merry Christmas to each other?
Wow.
Please,
Look at this funny sheep.
Somebody actually wrote me.
How much does one person eat? How many people left? Yeah.
30
More
years.
30 days. And that, more or less than 30 days.
Guys, that's you.
How is that
18
years?
years.
More days? The people didn't see long time. Yeah. 25 years or 9,000.
Most people are lying.
People like because average life expectancy
I don't think they put that much thought into it.
They should.
That's the game.
But nobody sleeps 8 hours.
The game is
That's cool.
So, super successful.
This is
Maybe what's official is Okay, perfect. Perfect. All right, we got to eat.
Yes.
We got to eat.
Alright. So, let's see. Joe. What did Father Christmas do when he went speed dating? Well, ho, ho, ho! Oh my God! That one is actually funny. That's what they were saying this one. Oh my God. This shot sucked. What's the cracker? Another Christmas one. The three wise men brought gifts to Jesus. What were they? Oh. Word? Word? Yes. Gold. Gold? No. Mary Shelley wrote the book? Yes. Mary Shelley wrote the book.
Frankincense.
Yes. Smells. It says here, smells.
I've heard cake and the bride has
Frankincense. Smell myrrh.
And I or H.
Yes. Woo!
It's even the Irish herb.
now spelled mostly to gold.
Write down sports name and write down. Arts. That's really important. This game.
Is there something that we are forgetting? So much better than the people.
I think it's great, but the thing is, when you pour more value in whiskey on something that is actually not that high value, the value comes from the whiskey.
Yeah.
So as an excuse today, group,
I have to try also, right? Oh, this was not well there. Are you waiting?
Burning the cost.
But we don't want to. But it's turned off, so we don't do. Yeah, exactly. We don't do. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes, yes, right, yes,
I kept
Just check the different branches, they have everything spending more. So, you better look for a second.
No, I didn't make it back.
Initially we thought 6, then we thought, okay, maybe even another hour, and now it's 4
Yeah, so you're wrong with it. Are you sure? Well, you used to drive on the other side of the road, so.
Yes. No. I mean, I'm straight out here, it was, my colleague said, that was on holiday to start. It was quite painful, but it was quite a popular area. So you'd be about 1 car per hour, so you don't forget that you should be on the other side, you have no other traffic.
Right. Yeah. One issue with driving, I would say top of the road, basically left side, right, it's the same side, it's already exactly on your car.
It's only, yeah.
Your car is crossing both sides of the fence. So.
But I guess when you would hear it,
Yeah. But some of the roads that drove in Devon, but they were basically the same as roads here, except that the hedges were 3 feet tall and they were right on the edge of the road. And there were bicycles. And then there's 100 kilometers speed.
Yeah.
And because Google is reading 100 kilometers speed, it was 10 times we do these roads.
Yeah.
Rather than taking the highway net.
Yes.
Do it for 80.
Yeah.
But you could actually do it.
Yeah.
And so I really, like, I thought the whole trip was really bad. Always especially in Singapore.
Yeah.
I really had to know where beforehand, where I was sitting all that they would this different stuff somewhere along the way.
Yeah.
And then follow the actual courses. All done, okay. So you missed a joke. No, the things have a bad joke. So the joke that Christmas the joke was what did Father Christmas say when he went speaking? I don't really know the actual answer, but it was taken from him because it was hope, hope, hope. So, politically very incorrect.
Let it there. I just put in some more water powder.
Because
I need more powder.
We need to scrape a little bit. You have to
No, I need to put in like a cup and
Oh, yeah. But also, I mean, if we,
No, but
you can scrape a little bit, right?
Yeah, let's just boil it up and
Okay.
it should be fine.
Okay. All right.
You've been crowned king.
Do we? I am a king now.
You've been crowned king.
Well, there's a couple of kings. Oh, yeah, well, sorry.
Also heute schaut Dublin alles sehr normal aus vom Gefühl her.
Bitte was? Heute?
Dublin schaut heute von Gefühl her sehr normal aus.
Okay, dann sehen wir schon. Ja, das ist gut.
Sorry, boss.
Take your trash plate.
We can throw that out, probably will restrict us.
I have no idea what this doing.
Wait.
You missed it.
Yes.
I think we've done a really good job. Somebody should take the fruit slab home with them. It's an Irish cake.
Sorry, hold it. I get one, two. No, I lost again. Okay, you have to eat it.
That's really not a very secure password you got there.
Yes.
I'm just kidding. I need you to
Mit Wurstpulver.
Guys,
Look, I got two.
No, it's still, it will be done very soon.
Hast du das auch schon mal gemacht, oder? So, ich brauche Wurstpulver.
Ja, ich versuche, wie weit das ist gar nicht so angelegt, aber ja.
Ja.
Shellfish.
Oh! That is better.
Really bad.
That's for a bad, that's a bad joke. For a bad joke.
Okay, happy quiz is on. Stefan.
No, just us. The dishwashing is on. Die Pfanne ist, nein, ich mache das Waschen der Name, aber ich
Wenn man da genügend Wurstpulver verwendet, funktioniert das wirklich gut.
Ja?
Ja.
Haben wir ein Geschichte mittlerweile? Das wäre schon fast.
Klaus.
Yeah, it works very well.
Quiz.
Yeah, quick. Look. Look at it. It worked very well, literally. Yeah, I will come to it quick. Okay.
Yeah.
I think this is almost done it all. Yeah, beautiful. I'm not entirely
Dit was in een normale kom.
Are you working? Another team. Another team.
Yeah.
You are the team. Thank you for doing actual useful work, but now it's time for non-actual useful work. Right. First category, of course. The first category is, of course, after many, many requests. Mama Moo's main singers, cousins, former roommates.
Oh my
There's
God.
one I can do this one. Alright. Mama Moo. The first question is, what is Mama Moo? That you don't understand. It's a cable. That's correct. Woo! 1 point. No.
Question one.
I think we could go to the kitchen now.
What year did Mamamoo officially debut?
2014.
Correct.
Yay! I didn't answer. The question wasn't over. Their 2017 album.
Yes. Question two. What was the title of Mamamoo's debut single? Yes. Yes. Clearly she's singing also. Question three. That's minus 10 points for cheating. No, minus. Question three. Who are the four members of Mamamoo?
เพราะว่าใช่เลยชอบเป็นโซล่า
Alright, now stop. Stop. Sorry, that one again? No. You haven't heard it. Yes. I'm sorry, GP's answers are final and there is no dash.
And now spell them in the proper Korean spelling.
Alright, question four.
Then we can pass whatever's left of that.
Sorry, this other?
Dropping on the last one.
Question four. Which Mamamoo member is known for her powerful rap skills and voice style?
Hey.
There's four.
He gets it!
Yes, correct!
He said blue!
Which is basically half of the name. Question five.
So the answer meant just making noises.
Incoherent gibberish from Stefan. Question five. What is the title of Mamamoo's 2018 album? About that minus 20 points. No.
It's too close, it's on the tip of the tongue. Don't listen to this and I can't look at this.
As a hint, the name of the song, Starry Night, has absolutely nothing to do with it. I said absolutely nothing, that's minus one.
Oh my god, what did you do?
I don't know anything
It's in
about
the
this.
word, right?
No, it's two. In German it would be one. No, wait. No, actually it would not be one word in German.
I don't remember.
It's the noun and adjective. Yes. Yellow flower. Question 6. Which Mamamoo song includes the iconic line, I am the solar system's sun and moon? No.
Oh.
That doesn't even make any sense. Yeah, hip.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why is it all capitalized? Yeah, that's what I was asking. Is it next to it?
It wasn't. Okay, what?
So it's about the anatomy. Is it about eight? Oh, fair enough. Question 7.
About the need to take care of the germs. It's about osteoporosis.
Yes, exactly. It's actually a very, very profound song. Now, the next question I think is something that these two have argued about yesterday, so they're no, I'm just joking, but it's question 7, which is which member of Mamamoo is the group leader? Oh, I'm sorry, I can't remember the discussion. I'll have to review the film. Alright. Question 8. Mamamoo participated in and won which reality competition show in 2021? Yes?
Voice of Honor.
Unfortunately, very, very close, but incorrect.
Voice of Korea.
You'll only get one choice. Also, I was joking about being anywhere close. I'd be surprised if any of you except for Kaffel guesses this. And even Kaffel, I don't think so. It is written here in English, and it's a very English sound. I mean, it's not reasonable.
It's not Korean music show.
is not Korean. And it is words that I can understand. But it's not a word. I don't think it's a word that's in the dictionary. It's amazing. It's queendom 2. Yes. If you had said queendom, you would have been wrong. Question 9.
Which not saying the number two?
The number. Not additional, but the number. So there must have been a queendom 1 or
Presumably.
yes. Question 9. Which one do you mean? So the more mature and artistic.
You gotta see her.
Anybody remember anybody's name from the band?
Silver.
That's wrong. It's Maria. No, just kidding. There's no Maria. Yes. Correct.
Oh.
Question 10.
You
Last question on the move. Should they skip? And this is something that I absolutely know. We discussed this today. So I expect you to press the button immediately. What is the name of our brothers, sisters, colleagues? No, time. Yes. Well, actually, we're missing one letter.
Lulu's.
Correct.
Okay, and the others didn't even get the question.
Those are adding up all right.
Was it manager?
No. What's the name of the Mammoose Panda?
Panda.
Okay, next
Minus
one.
three.
Go ahead.
What?
Can you see the next
We
question?
will do one non
Yes.
music, and then we'll get to radio. All right.
It's Moo Swifties, man.
Something that we've discussed this morning. The VBS.
VBS challenge.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. This is going to be extra embarrassing for all of you who don't get it right. That's -1.
No, we didn't start.
All right. Question
The
1.
chances are quite high that actually GPT is getting it wrong.
Oh, I'm sure.
GPT's answer is final.
Question 1. What is the primary purpose of the Video Browser Showdown? Yes?
We evaluate the video retrieval systems.
What kind of video retrieval system? Very good. In abstract time or in real time?
In real time, of course.
Very good. GPT says to benchmark and evaluate the performance of interactive video search systems in real time.
I'm sure it says that on the website somewhere.
Yes. Question 2. This is an easy one. In what year was the first Video Browser Showdown held?
Now.
2012.
Yes!
Oh my God!
Question 3. Which international conference often hosts... That's correct.
That is technically wrong. Technically wrong. Yes.
Always hosts.
Fair enough. Question 4. What is the format of the tasks presented during VBS? Yes?
A non-item search.
You're being way too specific. You're being way too specific. Things like GPT.
Oh, the format is such that the teams participate with their proposed and developed systems, and each team is supposed to
This
develop
the task.
a certain number of interactive video
I think that's where it
retrieval
becomes
tasks
hard.
that involve non-item
Okay,
search.
last one.
Interactive video search tasks where participants locate specific content in large video collection. Question 5. What is the dataset commonly used in the VBS for evaluating? Yes?
VCC, 1.
No.
Video!
Because it's wrong. No, don't give them -points for this because GPT's answer is stupid. But everybody gets a guess.